Hi everyone, today I want to share something that completely changed the way I take care of my family's health. You know that feeling when you're doing everything you can to have a healthy life, but something out of your control could be harming you? I've been through this and I want to tell you how I solved it and how you can too. In the last few months, I started to question myself about the water we drink every day. Even though it seems clean, I realized that tap water is full of chemicals such as chlorine, fluoride, and even heavy metals. And what about bottled water? In addition to being expensive, I discovered that many brands are just glorified tap water. This worried me because we're talking about something essential for our health and well-being. That's when I discovered Aqua Tower, and I can say that it was a game changer literally in my life. It's a digital guide that teaches you in a super simple way how to build your own professional water purification system at home. Oh, before I tell you about my experience, I've already left the official link for you to access Aqua Tower in the description and in the first comment. That way, you'll be guaranteed the original material and can start safely, okay? After I started using the system I learned with Aqua Tower, everything changed. Now I have clean and safe water without having to rely on expensive or bottled solutions. I discovered how to save a lot of money because building my own system was much more affordable than buying filters or bottled water. I feel at ease knowing that my family is drinking contaminant-free water every day. And you know what's most amazing? We don't need any technical skills or special tools to set up the system. My husband and I did the step-by-step guide and that's it. The guide is so easy to follow that anyone can do it. If you're also concerned about the quality of the water you drink, I highly recommend Aqua Tower. It's not just about having better tasting water, but about protecting the health and future of your family and children. And the best part? The guide comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try it risk-free. Build the system, see the results, and you'll love it just like we do here at home. So why wait? Every day you put it off is another day you're exposing your health and the health of your loved ones to dangerous contaminants. Click the link below, get your original guide, and start transforming the way you drink water. I'm rooting for you.